Hey you guys, okay, so today I am so excited to share with you guys so many new things for fall, some new fall beauty. We are gonna do this look together. I'm gonna show you how I did this little manicure myself in literally like 5 minutes. It is like $15, okay, we're gonna talk. So exciting. I'm giddy that I can do this myself. I didn't go to a salon, I have short nails, we're gonna talk, okay? Lots of new fun things, some new lashes that I have been dying to try for a very long time, and I'm so happy that I did. I'm gonna show you guys everything. We're gonna kind of go through it together as I talk about it. A new highlighter that is so good, you guys. And everything is pretty, I would say, like non-fussy. Listen, I'm all about like big results with not a whole ton of effort, and you're gonna see this is very, very simple. It's a very sexy, beautiful makeup look that's gonna complement any look for fall. And you guys are gonna be floored. Like, these are some really, really cool things. I'm so excited about these nails. I can't believe it. I literally just did this a couple of seconds ago, and I'm so excited. All things that I purchased, have been loving, love all of these things. This is a collaboration with Nordstrom, so everything is available from there, which you guys know, it's one of my fave spots. It is, I love it. So let's get into it. So I do want to talk about these before we get started. The Thalgo Hyaluronic eye patches. I've really been loving this lately. It takes only 10 minutes. I did it before I got ready today. I have used these morning or night. The eye patches are really nice because they really cling to your skin. It's not like a real thick, you know, heavy one. It's not like a jelly feeling one. It's like a piece of very thin, almost like cloth, and it like makes your eye area look like flattened and like sucked in. And you only leave it on for 10 minutes. It doesn't leave behind like a greasy residue or anything, but it makes your eye area look so refreshed, so plumped up. It takes care of like any dryness, any little wrinkles, any little funny stuff. I cannot believe these nails. Okay, this is a good one. I just wanted to throw that out there. In the fall, you know, the weather gets a little cooler. My skin always definitely reacts to that. Gets a little drier. Your eye area might need a little more love. So this is great. Try those. Let me go ahead and tell you about the nails before I get into the makeup, because I'm going to show you guys what I use on my skin and kind of show you all everything that I'm digging for fall. But these, okay, so I was just like browsing the website, right? And I saw these, okay, the static nails, reusable pop-on nails, and I'm like, no, listen, I was a kid in the 90s, in the 80s, especially not, you know, those press-on nails, like, no. They can actually last up to 16 days, and after you remove them, you can actually keep them and reuse them again. This is like so unfussy. I love it. Like, I don't have a lot of time. I don't want to go sit in a salon. That's one thing that I've told you guys before. I am not a manicure girl. I don't enjoy doing that unless I'm like with a friend or something, but no, like this is cool. It can last up to 16 days. So there's different application methods, like depending on how long you want to wear them. You know, if it's just a couple days, you apply them a certain way. If you want to do them up to 16 days, you can apply them a certain way, but you know that's what I did. So I'm really curious about it, and I'm excited. This one is called Nude Peach, is the one that I have, which I think is really cool. They don't all come this long. I mean, I'll show you. So this one is called Coral and Peach, which is very similar, a little more pink. All different shapes, so fun. This one is kind of like holographic. It's called Holographic Spill, and these are shorter, so I thought those might be a little fun. These are like clear with white tips, which I think is neat. They also have a clear one that you can paint yourself. I got this pretty teal color. They're so inexpensive, you guys, like 15 bucks, like, and you can reuse them, so I love that. They come with the glue, they come with everything that you need, and literally I had these on in minutes. It like bonds instantly. It comes with a bunch of different sizes. So let me show you, like, okay, so this one is Peony. This one is Fetish. This is a little more like curved. Of course, like I said, they have shorter ones. I even got like a French one, which I thought this one was kind of pretty. These are really short. They come in so many different sizes. Like, there's a ton of nails down here. I literally had so many left over. It comes with a bunch of different sizes, so you can find your perfect fit for all your nails. I'm like, why not? You know, who has time? They do not look like glued on, press on nails. They look so good. They're actually made very nice. So very excited about that. Not fussy at all. They come in so many different colors, but I'm kind of a nude girl, so I thought that was really pretty. Something else that I have been really, really loving is a fluffy brow. I love this because it's so soft. It makes your brows look so soft and beautiful. I actually just repurchased this. I use the Warm Brunette. It's the Arch Fiber Gel. by Hourglass. You see the brush is just so perfect. I've used a bunch of brow gels. This one is by far my favorite. And you don't even have to fill your brows to use it, but I like filling mine, you know, just with a pencil, with shadow, whatever, and then using this over it, or even on days when I don't want to fill them, I just use this and it gives them such a beautiful look. So good brows are a must for me. Okay, you guys, I have rediscovered an old favorite, and this is such a perfect duo for fall. It is the NARS Cordura. You guys may remember me talking about this years ago, but that's all that I have on my lids today. Just use the lighter color, which is actually beautiful. It's like a beautiful medium brown. It's the ease of like a super easy natural eye, like, you know, you apply it the same way, but you get that sexy, beautiful dark look. And then I use the darker color on the outer. So love that so much. Could not be easier. Like I said, I'm all about ease, and I am all about this mascara. I have been loving this, the NARS Climax. So I was so intrigued when I saw NARS had a mascara, and they did it right. It gives you so much drama, it makes your lashes so huge and fluttery. You can really pile it up, but today I knew I was going to do some false lashes, which let me share. You guys are gonna flip, these are so good. So I didn't do a whole ton with the mascara, but I still do like applying a little bit. You could have totally skipped that if you knew, you know, you were gonna do your lashes or whatever. But I tried the Lily lashes for the first time. I cannot tell you how excited I was when I saw these at Nordstrom. So many to choose from. I think I had like 10 or 11 pairs in my cart, and I was like, girl, pare it down. So I picked out 2 that I really liked, because I thought, you know, if I really like them, I'm gonna get some more, and I really like them. So these are the Goddess, which I think is like one of the like most popular ones. They're just so beautiful and fluttery and perfect, comfortable to apply. They have that big, beautiful, like dramatic, very thick look, but they don't feel uncomfortable. Like I literally am so picky with lashes. I usually go for the ones that are very thin, or the ones that may not look super dramatic, because I like to feel comfortable. They look super dramatic, but they are so comfortable. And then I also grabbed these that are the Mink Monaco. Packaging is beautiful. I love a lash packaging like this that you can actually, you know, reuse easily, and I'm so excited about these. They're beautiful. So I'm so happy that I found a really dramatic, beautiful false lash that doesn't look too much. Do you know what I mean? And it's not heavy. So I love those. So I think that the Goddess, which is what I'm wearing, are very, very good. Highly recommended to start with. And then these Mink Monaco ones, they are just a little bit thicker looking than the Goddess ones, but they are so beautiful. So I was so excited about those, and they were really easy to apply. The band wasn't thick or like fighting, you know, my eye shape, and it's comfortable. They're so comfortable, and I can't, I can't really feel them. I've had them on for a little while now, and they feel really great. So, okay, you guys, so in the fall, like I said, I like my skin to look perfected. I use that full coverage foundation that I love, but I don't like to layer on a ton of powders. I want my skin to feel comfortable. I don't want to layer up like super thick highlighters or super thick bronzers. Keeping with the theme of your skin looking and feeling comfortable for fall, especially like I said, going into cooler weather, I want my skin to feel comfortable. I don't want it to feel so dry and heavy. You know, I like to use cream products that aren't just gonna slide off my skin. And I feel like sometimes, you know, especially if you have really oily skin, you may steer away from those products during the warmer months. So the fall's kind of a fun time to start playing with some of those. But you guys, the most unfussiest, beautiful highlighter. I don't know if you can see how beautiful this is. The glow is perfection. It's just right. It doesn't look thick like you've painted it on, but it creates the most beautiful glow. It's the RMS Magic Luminizer. You guys, so I can just use it with my finger. You can, you know, you can put it on with a sponge. However you want to apply it, you can't go wrong. It is the most beautiful champagne, gorgeous color that looks beautiful with my skin, and I'm super fair, but it has that gorgeous champagne tone that's not as harsh as like a silvery pearl or like highlighters that are too cool. It has that warmth to it that is going to look amazing on tan or much darker skin tones. So I think this is kind of just one of those all-in-one like universal products. So little but like pretty mighty. So try that. It was really cool, and it's not greasy feeling either. I love that. I want to share with you what I'm doing for my lips that just could not be more simple. Okay, I usually like more drama on my eyes, and I like my lips to look kind of glossy. Sometimes I feel like lipstick or darker lip colors are just fussy. I'm actually kind of really feeling a red lip though, and I might do something with that soon. So I'm really wanting to like bust out some reds, so we'll do that soon. So unfussy, you guys, so easy. Grab yourself a lip pencil that works for you. Subculture is one that I rediscovered that is so good. MAC Whirl is a little more mauve-y. I love that equally. I also love Dervish, which is a little more pink, but Subculture is a little more of like a nude tan without looking orangey. So I love this. Fill your lips in with it, smooth your lip line with this. And then I've been using just the most like nothing glosses, a lip balm. But I found one that I had never tried before, and it's clear, it's beautiful. It's the Chanel Plumping Lip Gloss, and it's just the clear, the gloss volume plumping lip gloss. I gotta say, for years I never tried this because I just thought it was a clear gloss. It has the most perfect like cooling effect where you do feel like it is, you know, doing a little something. It's plumping. I don't like plumping glosses that are too harsh, but this one is just perfect. And like, I'm just gonna put more of it on because why not? But get it really like around your lip line. It's just one of those easy ones that you can take with you. Again, this is what I'm all about. I don't want to look fussy. I just want something that's gonna make my lips look shiny and plump and pretty, and then I use a really natural lip liner, you know, before. So this is really cool. If you haven't tried this, I would definitely recommend it. Let me show you my outfit. So I've got my favorite hoops on. These are the rose gold ones, love them so much. This top that I showed you guys not that long ago, so simple and easy, right? I just threw it on today and I felt like so put together, and it's just not fussy, it's not difficult, and I just love the color for fall. And I'm wearing my favorite faux leather leggings. I wouldn't even say they're faux leather, they're just like I mean, they've got that look, right? But they're just so thin and like, just easy. They don't feel like those thick rubbery ones, you know what I'm talking about. They're just so easy. Thank you guys so much, you know, and big thank you to Nordstrom for working with me again on this one. I love working with them. I mean, I always say this, you know, and just a total moment right here that was kind of unplanned, but I love working with them because I can truly show things that I like, that I've picked out, that I've purchased, that are true to me, that are true to what I do here, and it's just such a good company, and I really do enjoy working with them. So thank you guys so much, and all of these things that I love are available from there, so that's amazing. So thank you guys so much. I'm just so happy that y'all spent this time with me today. So thankful, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye, y'all.